In the 1979 film Alien, the primary alien creature, known as the Xenomorph, goes through several stages of development. It begins as an egg, which hatches a facehugger, a spider-like parasite that attaches itself to a host, implanting an embryo. The embryo later bursts from the host's chest as a chestburster, a smaller version of the adult xenomorph. The xenomorph then rapidly matures into a terrifying humanoid creature with a sleek, elongated head, acidic blood, and a deadly inner jaw. So the film focuses primarily on this single xenomorph, highlighting its lethal adaptability and predatory nature. In the 1986 film Aliens, the xenomorph species is explored in greater depth, revealing new varieties and behaviors. Unlike the single creature in the first film, Aliens introduces a colony of xenomorphs, including numerous drones and soldiers. These xenomorphs share the same life cycle, starting as eggs that release facehuggers, which implant embryos into hosts, leading to the emergence of chestbursters that mature into adult xenomorphs. The film also introduces the Alien Queen, a much larger and more formidable version of the xenomorph, responsible for laying the eggs that produce the next generation. The queen is fiercely protective of her offspring, and her appearance adds a new layer of complexity to the xenomorph hierarchy, emphasizing their hive-like structure and the terrifying intelligence of this species. The film also delves into the social structure of the xenomorphs, portraying them as a highly organized and cooperative species. The presence of the alien queen highlights the species' eusocial nature, similar to that of insects like ants or bees, where the queen controls the colony. The increased number of xenomorphs and the introduction of the queen elevate the threat level significantly, showcasing the aliens not just as individual predators, but as a relentless, overwhelming force. In the 1992 film Alien 3, the xenomorph returns in a new and unique form. This time, the creature emerges from an animal host, a dog or an ox in some versions, resulting in a more agile and feral version of the alien, often referred to as the runner or dog alien. Unlike the previous films, Alien 3 features only a single xenomorph, which exhibits a quadrupedal stance and enhanced speed, reflecting its animal host. The film also reintroduces a highly adaptable creature within a prison colony setting. In the 1997 film Alien Resurrection, the xenomorph species undergoes significant evolution due to genetic experimentation. Set 200 years after the events of Alien 3, the film centers on a cloned version of Ellen Ripley, who has been resurrected with xenomorph DNA mixed with her own. This blending of human and alien genetics leads to several unique developments. The xenomorphs in Alien Resurrection are shown to be more intelligent and aggressive, reflecting their enhanced hybrid nature. The film also introduces the newborn, a grotesque human-alien hybrid birthed from the alien queen, who, due to the genetic mixing, develops a womb and gives birth to this new creature instead of laying eggs. The newborn possesses more human-like traits, including a more recognizable face. Physically, the newborn is a striking departure from previous xenomorphs. It has a pale, almost fleshy complexion, a more humanoid face with sunken eyes, and a body that blends human-like anatomy with alien characteristics, such as elongated limbs and sharp skeletal features. Unlike the cold, predatory nature of the traditional xenomorphs, the newborn exhibits a disturbing level of emotion and attachment, particularly towards Ripley, whom it recognizes as its mother due to their shared DNA. The newborn's behavior is equally unsettling. It brutally kills the alien queen that birthed it, demonstrating a lack of loyalty to its xenomorph lineage, and instead seeks out Ripley, showcasing an almost childlike need for affection. However, its immense strength and unpredictability make it a dangerous and tragic figure. In Alien vs. Predator 2004, the xenomorphs play a central role in an ancient conflict between two formidable extraterrestrial species, the predators and the aliens. The film reveals that the predators have long used xenomorphs as part of a deadly ritual, breeding them as the ultimate prey to prove their warrior strength and skill in combat. The predators intentionally seed human civilizations with xenomorph eggs, initiating the xenomorph life cycle, from facehugger to chestburster to fully matured xenomorph. The film also features the massive alien queen, a larger and more powerful variant that the predators keep imprisoned to continually produce eggs for their hunts. The intense battles between the predators and the xenomorphs highlight the lethal capabilities of both species. The xenomorphs' adaptability, numbers, and relentless aggression make them a formidable force, while the predators rely on their advanced technology, cunning, and combat prowess. In Aliens vs. Predator Requiem 2007, the Xenomorphs include standard warriors known for their agility and aggression, and the Predalien, a hybrid with features from both Xenomorphs and Predators, which adds a new level of threat. The Predator presence is highlighted by the Wolf Predator, a skilled hunter sent to Earth to contain the Xenomorph outbreak and eliminate the Predalien. Equipped with advanced weaponry, the Wolf Predator seeks to restore balance amid the chaos. The film intensifies the conflict between these species, showcasing their deadly capabilities and the catastrophic impact of their battle on a small town. In Prometheus 2012, several alien varieties expand the lore of the alien universe. Engineers, these ancient humanoid beings are revealed as the creators of humanity. They possess advanced technology and are tied to the film's central plot involving the creation of life and the black goo. Hammerpede, a serpentine creature that results from the black goo's mutagenic effects. The hammerpede is aggressive and worm-like with bioluminescent features and represents an early, less developed stage of the goo's transformative power. Deacon, the Deacon, is a proto-xenomorph that emerges at the film's climax. It is born from the black goo's interaction with an engineer and a human host, displaying some traits of the xenomorph, such as a sleek, elongated head, but also unique characteristics reflecting its experimental origins. In Alien Covenant 2017, the xenomorph species is depicted through several distinct varieties. Neomorphs are among the first introduced, characterized by their pale, spindly bodies and a more insect-like appearance compared to traditional xenomorphs. They hatch from spores that infect hosts, leading to a different developmental process than the classic facehugger to chestburster cycle. Traditional xenomorphs also make an appearance, showcasing their familiar features: sleek black exoskeletons, elongated heads, and deadly inner jaws. Additionally, the proto-xenomorph is presented as an intermediate stage between neomorphs and fully matured xenomorphs, combining traits of both. These varieties highlight the experimental nature of the android David's work, emphasizing the evolving and terrifying potential of the xenomorph species through genetic manipulation. In Alien Romulus 2024, several distinct types of xenomorphs are featured. The facehugger and chestburster stages of the xenomorph life cycle are featured, highlighting the relentless and horrifying nature of xenomorph reproduction. The facehugger implants embryos and hosts, while the chestburster emerges and grows into a full-size xenomorph, underscoring the species' terrifying and efficient propagation methods. The classic xenomorph, recognizable by its sleek black exoskeleton, elongated head, and acidic blood, remains a central antagonist. Its lethal capabilities and predatory behavior drive much of the film's tension and action sequences. The xenomorph-human hybrid represents a significant advancement in the film's lore. Created through Weyland-Yutani's controversial genetic experiments, this hybrid merges xenomorph and human DNA. It features a humanoid form combined with the xenomorph's physical strength, but it also exhibits heightened intelligence and strategic thinking. This hybrid serves as a formidable and intelligent adversary, central to the film's plot and thematic exploration of genetic manipulation. It has a humanoid face combined with the sleek body shape, extended height, and agility to kill the enemies. This hybrid's elongated limbs and sharp skeletal features highlight its blend of human and alien anatomy, resulting in a creature that is both eerily familiar and horrifyingly alien. Hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing to my channel Hollywood Gems. We bring amazing content just for you guys.